Hey there, if you're interested in giving your iPhone's text messages a cool dark mode makeover, I'm here to help. Dark mode not only adds a slick look to your device but also makes it easier on your eyes, especially in low light situations. Let's dive into how you can turn on dark mode. To enable dark mode for iPhone system-wide, first open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. After that, under the Appearance section, select Dark. You can also toggle Automatic to let your iPhone switch between light and dark modes depending on the time of day. Access dark mode quickly from Control Center to switch between light and dark mode more quickly. Use the Control Center. Swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Then long press the brightness slider. After that, tap the darkness mode icon at the bottom left to turn it on or off. Customizing messages with dark mode. Once dark mode is enabled, your Messages app will automatically switch to a darker theme, making text bubbles and the background much easier to read in low light. By following these simple steps, you'll have the dark mode activated for your text in no time, improving your overall experience. If this guide was helpful, drop a comment below to let me know.